Hi, we're here with the van. Sometimes I think that my dad buys cars, but we all really know that cars buy him.
This mounts the junction box to all of the stuff on the roof. All the wires are going to come through here. Okay. So you're going to stand here. I'm going to feed you the wrench. See? Uh-huh. And you're going to hold it on there, and I'm going to tighten it up. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
This one?
I got it on there. Oops. Okay, now I have it on there.
Okay. All right.
Is that it?
Yeah.
So take this up there and explain what you're doing.
There's the solar panels, a bunch of wires. This is the junction box I made. This is kind of a metal aluminum strap there, kind of as a big washer to hold it all down. So all the wires are going to come through here, and I have a bunch of metal that you can't see that are angle. It's going to go through there. I'm going to put a grommet around that so that wires don't get cut. There's the air conditioner. There's the max fan. There's the solar panels. There's one of the side lights. And this is my rack. There's the actuators for the solar panel. Can you see them there?
What was the bracket issue?
Okay, this bracket, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, this bracket I increased to 2" from 1" because in the center it was touching right there. And I didn't want it to eventually rub a hole. So I went ahead and pulled these brackets all out and made new brackets. So that's a 1" by 2" bracket connected to 80/20 and then to the bracket system that connects to the roof. So the 80/20 is lifted up a couple inches.
So can you go into a little bit why it has taken so long from concept to installation on this?
Just too many other projects mainly.
Roger, you're making me really, really nervous. Well, we had a few trees fall.
We had trees fall. Here's one tree. Can you see it out there? One part that's left. This tree over here that fell, I got it all cut up. Eventually, it took about a week.
Well, and you missed the whole thing about our power lines breaking in half.
And the power lines broke. We had a tree over there. That's the one that I took down over there. It took the power lines out. It broke the power pole and turned the transformer upside down. So the guys came, 4 crane trucks, and 8 guys worked for 6 hours to install a new power pole and a new transformer. It's a shame because that transformer was only 2 years old. Here is the gland. This is a big ordeal. See how the cables go up in there? The big ones are the solar, and all these small ones are the lights and the actuators.
All right, so he keeps calling me to come out and do this thing. And this is what I have to do. I have to hold that while he does whatever he's doing up at the top. I can handle that job. There's all the inside stuff. And these hang all the way down. Oh, they go on forever. Turned into summer, didn't it?
It's pretty hard. You have a 50-50 chance of getting it to work the first time. Ready? They're going down?
Going up.
Going up?
Mm-hmm. Down. Only one of them.
Yeah. I want to see how far down it goes. Go, baby, go. It needs to stop. Perfect. One more thing I'll try here. Okay. Look at the light.
Look at what light? Oh,
Did it come on?
no. Let me go look at the other side.
Light right.
Well, is that left or right? Ah, it's on.
I forgot these are LEDs, so they're polarized.
So every time we need to turn the lights on, or we're going to have to touch those wires.
We're
to
going to
the
have to
battery.
come back here and get the strippers out. Okay, go to the back.
Okay. Yep. They're bright.
Both of them?
Yep.
Okay. Ow.
So
Next is the windows.
the solar's done.
The solar's done. I can drive like this with all the suns.
Yeah, but I mean, you're ready for the next project.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
That was 6 weeks.
6 or 8. I did a lot of stuff in those 8 weeks.
I know. I'm just giving you a hard time. Definitely not a slacker.
Here's the light. See it?
Sure enough.
And then here's the solar panel.
There they go.
And I measure the solar panels with 42 volts. Stop. Down.
Can you do one at a time?
No. Right now.
Right now, no. Okay. All right. You're the man.